Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Rachel Duffy. Fox News contributor Rachel Duffy has been officially tapped to replace Jedediah Bila as the new co-host of Fox and Friends Weekend. If you're a consistent viewer of the show, this announcement will come as no surprise.
Let's help you make your mark.
Tucker Carlson. I cover political media and media politics. Fox News Channel's Tucker Carlson was the most watched host in cable news in April, leading all other shows with an average audience of more than 3 million viewers.
Take our lead.
Television host Jedediah Bila has announced she has left Fox News and has teased that her next career step will include a book that describes her experiences of motherhood. She rejoined Fox News as a contributor in 2018 and in 2019 was made a co-host for Fox and Friends Weekend.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Rachel Duffy is a mom for the 9th time. The Fox Nation host and former Real World star, 47, announced the birth of her and husband Sean Duffy's daughter on Monday, a baby girl named Valentina Stella Maris Duffy. She is the sweetest, most perfect thing we have ever seen.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Fox News Fox and Friends Weekend. Host Jedediah Bila is leaving the cable news network after 2 years on the job. In 2018 she returned to Fox News as a contributor and released her first book, #DoNotDisturb. In 2019 she was extended the offer to co-host Fox and Friends Weekend, with Pete Hegseth and Will Kane.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.